Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on to share with you guys my review on this Brazilian deep wave here from Julia Hair Company. Here's the packaging that the hair came in. And it came with eyelashes. And the hair is very nice and it looks nice and full. And here's the closure. It's a 3-part closure. And the lace is dark. Alright, here's the wig that I constructed. And this is the inside of the wig. I have 2 combs. And the mesh cap, and it has the adjustable straps at the back. Then we're just going to use our powder. And I'm going to put the powder over the lace, because like I told you, I do not bleach my lace. So just rub the powder everywhere. And on the outside now, we're just going to use a little brush with some more of our powder. And we're just going to place it into our part. Just brush it right into the part. And now that our part is ready, it's time for me to place the wig on my head. And now I'm just going to tie the adjustable straps at the back. And it's secure, not going anywhere. And now I'm placing in the combs. As you can see, the part looks very nice. Now we're going to add some water and conditioner and just liven up our curls. And I'll just show you guys the back of the hair. Which the hair is nice and bouncy and full. Alright everyone, I'm going to tell you how I feel about this hair, my Julia hair. Like I said, it's a Brazilian deep wave, and I have an 18, 16, 14, and 12-inch closure. So the shipping was fast, the shipping is good, and you know Julia has good customer service, that's why I keep going back. The customer service is good, so you can, it's good, it's a good company to deal with, and I don't have any problems with them. I'm sure you won't either. Their quality, like I said, is very good, and they'll get your hair out to you very fast once you place your order, so that's good. I do like this hair. It's very nice because it's the deep wave. It's curly, but it's not of a tight curl. It's like a looser curl, so I like that. It's a different curl than the curly one, as you can see. You see the hair, the texture. It's nice and soft, and the curls are nice. You know, nice looser curls. It's very nice. The curls are nice, the hair is soft, it's nice and bouncy. Julia Hair Company, their hair quality is very good. I've gotten lots of hair from them, and their hair quality is very good. You know, I love that about them. They do sell quality hair, but it's a straight hair, curly hair, body wave, whatnot, Julia Hair Company, they do have good quality hair. That's why I keep getting hair from them. Yeah, so this is the deep wave, and I like it. Like I said, the hair is nice, and it's soft. When the hair is soft, it's good, you know? Yeah, and so far I like it. I really do. I really like it so far. It's nice, and I'm not getting any matting. I did get a bit of shedding. Not very much, but I did get a bit of shedding. And I'm not getting any tangling. Not as yet. I'm not getting any tangling. And for the 3 bundles, the hair is full, you guys. As you can see, 3 bundles and the hair is full. Now, if you want it more full than this, then you can buy 4 bundles and a closure. That's good too. But 3 bundles is fine. It's very full, as you can see. And the curls are nice. A looser curl, so if you don't really like the tight curls, get the deep wave. The deep wave is a nice curl. Now I did get the 18. The longest length I took was 18. You know, I want to show you guys some versatility within the lengths. You know, because not everybody likes long hair, everybody likes short hair. So I try and get a variety of lengths to share with you guys so you can see how it looks. This is a good length. It's very manageable. It's nice. It's nice for everyday in and out. You know, you're running into school. Yeah, you're running to work. It's very nice, very manageable. And because it's curly, you don't have to do very much to it. You don't have to wear it with a flat iron or a curling wand and having to curl it up yourself. Yeah. Because the curls are already there. You just spritz it with some water and conditioner. You know, run your fingers through it and out you go. Yeah. So like I showed you, it is a wig. I always make my hair, my units on a wig cap, mesh wig cap. With the string at the back, like I showed you, I just, you know, tie it, you know, very easy. You don't have to buy the elastic separate and sew it on yourself. I like the wig caps that come with that adjustable strap, so it helps hold the wig on very securely, which I like. And I add the combs. You don't have to add combs, but I add the combs to mine, and sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't, you know, but they're there if I want to use them. Their hair quality is very good, and their prices is very cheap too, you guys. Very reasonable prices for their bundle deals, or even if you want the bundles with the closure is reasonable, the bundles without the closure is also reasonable, and they have frontals, everything on there. Whatever you like, you can get. Yeah. So I just wanted to come on and share with you guys some more hair that I got from Julia Hair Company. The Brazilian Deep Wave in 18, 16, 14, and a 12-inch closure. Yeah, so I'm going to leave the link below for you guys to go over to Julia and check it out and get some bundles for yourself. Like I always say, fix up yourself, make yourself feel nice, because you're the one that matters. You understand? You are the one that matters. And when you do things to make you feel good, that's all that really matters. Yeah. Alright everyone, like I said, I'm going to leave the link below. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the hair that I wanted to share with you guys today from Julia Hair Company, the Brazilian Deep Wave. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.